Hello.
This is Jim. Listen, I'm sick, and I'm not going to be able to make it into work today.
Sick? You have any idea what you're doing to me?
I got a fever, body aches.
Just because you're a little under the weather and you want to pamper yourself. The rest of us are in here, meanwhile, in here sweating, making it happen, taking care of our customers, taking care of production, getting the numbers up.
What did you say? I must have blacked out for a little bit.
This is getting to be a habit for you, I believe.
This is the first time I've called in sick in the 5 years I've been there.
One day last year you tried to pull this, taking a day off business.
My wife passed away.
I'm just saying, something like this will go in your permanent record.
Hello? Yeah, hey, listen, this is Jim. I'm not going to make it in today. I feel okay. I'm not really sick per se. I'm feeling a little off. You know, a little off.
Sure. You can't take care of anything else unless you take care of yourself first.
I think I may have eaten something last night that didn't sit well with me, and it's got me all kind of thrown off.
It's all about work-to-life balance. No, you have to take care of yourself.
Well, I appreciate that.
Is one day going to be enough?
No, I'm certain one day it'll be plenty.
You know, if you just take tomorrow off, that'll give you a 4-day weekend. That should give you good time to rest up.
Well, you're right. It is. It's Friday. I guess that makes sense. You know what? Thank you. You are right. I'll take tomorrow as well and go into the weekend. I'll be fresh as a day.